How to cancel order on DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel orders on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to cancel the orders on DoorDash, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, it really depends upon what stage the order is, and if it has already been like 20 minutes, 30 minutes or half an hour since you ordered something, and because the food has already been prepared, they cannot waste the food, so they are still going to give you and charge you a certain amount of fee for you to cancel that order. But if you are lucky, you just process the order, you just made an order, no one has accepted it right away, they have not started preparing the order, in that case your order is still cancelable without incurring a fee. So to do this, you either tap the three lines option from the top left, or maybe from the app. If you're using from the app, here you'll find the option called orders over here, so you can just tap the orders option, and as and when you tap the orders option, you should be able to see a list of orders that you have made, and when you find those orders, you should be able to find the cancel button next to it, just in case you've happened to cancel it. This way you'll be able to cancel orders on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.